So you'd like to get your property sold this spring? You need to get your skates on. This whirlwind tour of the sales process will cover the hows, whys and whens of maximising your sale price this spring.
Once that's all out of the way, we can provide you with professional property presentation services to make sure that you've got the maximum appeal for the market, and tradespeople if you need to get a few things fixed around the home before you hit the market.
Method of sale and which one is right for you. Primarily there are three. Private sale being a more passive approach to the selling process. Number two being an expressions of interest campaign, which sets a date with which the buyers need to make a decision. And the most aggressive being number three, which is auctioning your home. But it certainly sets a date for people to make a decision and sends a clear message to the market that you're serious about selling your home.
There's only two we need to keep an eye on, and that is Grand Final Day. And of course, the race that stops a nation. We have big campaigns, we have small campaigns, but we will sit down with you, discuss your individual requirements and come back with something that dovetails in with your requirements. Now, this is usually the time that I tell you how good I am and how amazing our agency is, and I bombard you with a lot of statistics. But we don't have enough time for that. I can bring that with me when I come and see you. But you need to give me a call, send me a message, leave me a comment below, send me a carrier pigeon. Market conditions also need to be taken into account when making your decision to sell this spring. There's been a lot of negative press out there about what's happening in the market, and although we're not at the dizzy heights of late 2021, fundamentally it's still pretty good. So if you make that decision to sell this spring, I'd love to help make your sale a success. And if you'd like to take advantage of our free styling pack, please message me below, send me a text, give me a call, don't bother with the pigeon. Mark Williams from Belle Property Armadale. I'll see you on the next video.